Wallahu bima ta'maluna basir. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is all seer, is seeing everything that you do. So nothing is hidden. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows our hearts. Are we doing it for show off, or are we doing it to just for the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? So the two examples that we saw, there is a smooth rock, the rain is falling on it, nothing stays, the dust washes away, the rocks gain nothing. Similarly, there is a raised garden on which rain falls and it starts to flourishes and it starts to multiply because of that rain. So we have to spend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so it becomes like a garden which is blooming with fruits, and we get multiple rewards from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is the action for us: spend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to please him, not to show off or hurt people. Once you have decided to spend, you know what will happen? Once you have said that, okay, I'll do the charity, Shaitan's next target will be to make you waste it. He will try to bring these feelings of superiority. I'm the one who's giving money. Oh, this month I gave so much. You know, all of this you will start to feel. Inshallah, very soon you guys will start to earn, or some of you are already earning. Definitely you should spend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to please him, and say A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, to get protection from shaitan, not to make you waste this good deed by giving this feeling that I am something, you know, I am the one who gave this, and you know, I'm superior, and you try to show off to people and other people as well. No, just do it for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay.